Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel Indayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about page layout. So what is page layout? Page layout deals with the arrangement of visual elements on the page. It defines which fields the user can view. Right? Means how UI of an object looks like. Okay, so page layout, after creating the page layout, we need to assign that page layout to a record type or to the profile. Record type we will discuss in our next video. So we can categorize the page layout into four category, or you can say there are four types of page layout. Number one is page layout, you can say default page layout also. Number two, mini page layout, search layout, and compact layout. Right? So what is default page layout? Default page layout means which layout Salesforce designed for us as we created an object and fields in it. Right? But we can create our own page layout also. So let me show you. This is my home page and this is my application. If I will click on this object, I will click on new button. So this is the UI page layout, default page layout, which Salesforce is designed for me when I have created this object. Okay, so how we can edit this page layout if we want to edit? So come to our page layout. So to go there, click on your object manager, open your object where want to set your page layout. So my object name is Professor. Just click here. Here this is the option page layout. Just click here. So you can say this is a default page layout which is created by Salesforce. Right? If I will open this, I will click here. So this is my default page layout. If you want to make any change from here, you can. Right? How? Suppose I want to create a section here. Right? See name, address, and the contact number, email. This is the personal information, and this joining date and salary. I want to create a section here that will give the detail information. Right? So how I can create a section here? Just drag and drop your section here. Give a section your section name like detail information. Okay, just click on OK. So this is my, you can adjust as per your requirement. So I want to adjust here. Right? So simply drag and drop the fields which you are going to be assigned here. Right? See joining date and the salary. I want to keep inside this detail information. Right? And so in this way, if you want to move these fields this side, you can do. Right? So in this way, you can design your own page layout as per your requirement. Right? So after making a change, you can click on quick save or you can click on save. Right? So if I will come here, come to my application, I will refresh this, and if I will open this, so you can see this layout has been changed. Now it is showing in this way which I have designed right now. Right? So in this way you can make any change or you can design your own page layout as per your requirement to the default one. Right? Now we can create our own page layout also. How we can create? Come here, open your same procedure we will do, come on page layout, and here is the click new button. Just click on this new button. Right? If I will click here, so now here I need to give a name existing page layout which will be work as a base layout. Right? So here is the professor layout, that is default one. So I need to select this and I can give a name custom page layout. Okay, you can keep your layout name as per your requirement. Just click on save. So this is my base which I have created a clone or taken as a base page layout. So now if I want to make changes here, suppose I don't want to this in that side, I want to keep it here, and I want to create one more section, that is I want to create here, and that name should be account detail. Right, so let me explain this one also. This is column 1 and the column 2. So this page which is showing background at the back, we can arrange our fields in two ways, two columns, like earlier I have moved this side. If I will select them, then I need to keep my all fields in a straight way, right? So just let it as it is and click on OK. So this is my new section, account detail. I can move these two fields here. Okay, so now just save it. After creating our page layout, I need to assign this page layout to the profile. So which user has that profile, only that user or those user will be able to see that page layout which we will assign to them. Right, so we need to assign this page layout to a profile. How we can do this? Just click here, page layout assignment option. Now here edit assignment, just click here, edit assignment. Come to your profile, to which profile you want to assign this page layout. So system administrator, I want to assign this page layout to system administrator profile, right? Because my account is on system administrator, so if I will assign to this profile, I will be able to see the page layout, right? Just come up and select your page layout which you want to assign this profile. So this is a layout which I have created right now, so I'm going to assign this to my system administrator, right? Just click on save. Right, so it has been done. If we will see, so it has been changed, right? So come to our application and get a refresh. Now open our object. If I will click on new button, so here you can see the change, right? So in this way you can create your own page layout as per your requirement, and you have to assign that layout to a particular profile, right? So come back. Now let me come one more time at the page layout, right? So you can take any of one. For now, to show you, I'm just clicking here, default one. Okay, so here each field has a property, right? If I will scrolling here or I will scrolling here, then if I will click here, so this is a symbol of properties. If you will click here this property, so it is showing a two property, read only and the required. So if you want to make your field read only or make your field required from here on your page layout, you can do that also, right? Suppose if I am making this required and clicking on save. Okay, so this field you can see the asterisk mark, right? So this field is required. Now if I will save this, then when I will open the UI, it will be required will be there, right? So whatever changes I can make from here in the properties, that changes only reflect on the UI. Okay, so those things are applied only in front end, not only the back end. Means if you are making a field required here, so when you enter the data from UI, This field will be mandatory, but when you will enter the values from API or Apex coding, there it will be not a mandatory field, right? So these changes are applied only a UI. Now come back to our another type, that is mini page layout, right? As I have told you. Now mini page layout, this is my, now I am going to click this. Okay, so what is the mini page layout? Let me explain first. So mini page layout means it is actually pop-up window, right? It is a layout that defined from the existing page layout. It shows detail when you hover the mouse over a record of an object detail page, right? So what is mini page layout? If I will click here on this record and I am hovering the mouse here, so you can say this, right? This pop-up window is appear here. So this, you can say this is known as a mini page layout. So we can create our own mini page layout as per our requirement, right? So how we can create this kind of mini page layout? So to create this, come here, same procedure, open your object where you want to create a mini page layout. I am using the same object. Click on page layout, select the layout which is assigned to your profile. So for now this layout is assigned to my profile, so I am going to create a mini page layout here only in this page layout. So here you can say mini page layout option is available. If I will click here, so I can choose the fields which I want to show in my mini page layout. Professor name is already here, so I can choose the email, right, and joining date. Only 3 fields I want to display as a mini page layout when my mouse will be over the detail page, right? So just click save and you can make it save from here also one more time. If I will come here, just let me refresh one time. So if I will click on the home page, so whatever change I can make there, here already show in my home page, right? See, I have made changes here. Okay, let me do one more time, refresh. Okay, sometimes it takes time to show the mini page layout. Let me try one more time, otherwise we will do another thing. Okay, we will check it later, right? So now, okay, why mini page layout is important? So it will show the minimum required information to get the idea of a record without going to the record detail. See, if I will hover the mouse here, it will show me the minimum record, right, which as I have chosen 3 fields, right? So it will give me a little information about this record. Okay, for now I'm not waiting for this. See, you can say if I will click here, so this is a mini page layout, right? It is reflecting here like this. So same layout will be reflecting here, right? So let's move to our next, that is search layout, right? So what is search layout? Search layout let us to determine what fields user can see the search result, return result, right? For each unique user profile, you can create a search layout for custom as well as for standard object. How we can create a search layout? So come to your home page, same procedure we need to follow. I am showing one more time. Click on object manager, go to your object where you want to create. So I am using same object professor. Just click here, and if you will scroll down, then search layout is available here, right? If I will click here, now search layout work on the profile. So my profile is system administrator. So come to your profile, That's system administrator. Now click here on drop down arrow, click on edit button. So here you can design your search layout, means whatever field you will select from here, that field will show when he will open a record, right? So professor name I can write, I can take the email, contact number, salary and joining date. I want these fields in my search layout, right? So just save it and come to our application. Let me refresh one more time to show you. If I will click here, see, can you see at the earlier it was showing only these names, these fields are not available there, right? As I have created the search layout, what fields I have selected from there, they are showing here, right? So in this way you can create your search layout as per your profile, right? So now next type is compact layout. What is compact layout? The compact layout defines the key fields display in the Salesforce at the top of the record page in the highlights area. See here, if you want to show some fields, few fields or key fields you can say here, so you need to create compact layout for that. How we can create compact layout? Is the same procedure. Come here to your object where you want to create, and here is the option compact layout. Just click here. So you can create your new, right? Just click here. Here you need to give, say, I can say compact layout. Okay, you can say for professor or whatever label you want to give, you can give here, right? So what key field you want to display in your this area, highlighted area, you can choose from here. Okay, so I can choose the name, okay, and email and contact number. Only 3 fields I want here, right? So select these all fields and click on save button. Now compact layout assignment. Similar to our page layout, we need to assign to the profile. Similarly, after creating a compact layout, we need to assign to a profile. Okay, so by clicking here, we can assign this layout to a profile. Just click on edit. Which one? Compact layout. This is default one, right? This is compact layout which we have designed right now. So save this. Now come to our application. Let me refresh. Okay, if I will open this record, so you can see it is available here, and I have selected 3 fields: name, email and the contact number. So in this way you can create your compact layout, right? So that's all about our page layout. And let me check one more time if I will able to see. Yes, this time you can say here it is showing the mini page layout because I have selected 3 fields there only, right? So sometimes it takes time to make a change in your mini page layout. Okay, so that's all about our page layout. Thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and leave a comment for your feedback and suggestions. Thank you.